Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we delve into the heated rivalry between the ASUS ROG Ally X and the Lenovo Legion Go. Making the right choice between these two powerful devices can be a game changer. Let's break down their features, updates, and performance to help you make an informed decision. First, let's discuss the ASUS ROG Ally X. This isn't a next-gen model, but a significant mid-cycle refresh aimed at replacing the original Ally. This new version aims to move away from the controversies surrounding the microSD card issues of its predecessor. ASUS has made numerous improvements to the device, enhancing its overall user experience. Now, why compare it to the Lenovo Legion Go? Initially, I wasn't impressed with the Legion Go due to its poor software experience, which severely impacted usability. However, after 8 months and several updates, the software has significantly improved, making it a much more polished product. One of the major issues was the inability to change the custom TDP on the fly. Previously, you were stuck in turbo mode. The latest BIOS update has fixed this, allowing for easy adjustments that stick to your profile settings. Let's dive into the specific improvements of the ROG Ally X. The new 8-way D-pad provides better control compared to the 4-way D-pad of the original Ally. The control quality is exceptional, surpassing the Legion Go, whose triggers feel loose. The Ally X offers a more premium feel with its clicky and responsive triggers, which are now smaller but more effective. In terms of design, the Ally X is 11% heavier due to a larger 80Hu battery, providing up to 3 hours of turbo mode gameplay, a significant upgrade from the previous version's 1 to 1.5 hours. The speakers are also louder and better positioned to enhance your gaming experience. Unlike the top-mounted speakers on the Legion Go, the display remains similar to the original Ally, featuring a 7-inch screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Legion Go, however, boasts an 8.8-inch QHD display with a 144Hz refresh rate. While QHD might sound better on paper, in real-world gaming scenarios, it often runs at 1920 x 1200 or even 720p due to performance constraints. The larger screen size of the Legion Go offers more screen real estate, making it preferable for at-home gaming sessions. RAM and ports have seen notable upgrades in the Ally X. It now features 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, up from 16 GB running at 7,500 mAh instead of 6,400 mAh. The port lineup includes 2 USB-C ports, one of which is USB-C 4.0, allowing for external GPU connections without ASUS proprietary connectors. The device also includes a volume rocker, vent, microSD card slot, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a power button with an embedded fingerprint scanner, simplifying logins compared to the Legion Go's password or PIN entry. Fan noise reduction is another significant improvement. The Ally X operates much quieter than its predecessor, and the Legion Go, thanks to improved fan technology and better heat dissipation. The display's color accuracy is maintained, but an OLED upgrade would have been a welcomed enhancement. Performance-wise, both devices utilize the AMD Z1 Extreme APU, but the Ally X slightly outperforms the Legion Go in most scenarios. This performance boost, though not groundbreaking, consistently places the Ally X ahead in various games. Testing at different performance profiles, 30W for turbo, 17W for balanced, and 13W for battery-saving modes, revealed that the Ally X generally performs better. The Legion Go, however, has its strengths. It features a built-in metal stand, making it easier to use on a desk without needing an external dock. It also has 2 USB 4.0 ports, offering greater bandwidth and flexibility with cable angles. Internally, the Legion Go is easier to access, and while its battery is smaller at 49Hu, it supports M.2 2242 SSDs. In contrast, the Ally X supports the larger and more versatile M.2 2280 SAEs, offering more storage options at a lower cost. Price is a crucial factor in this comparison. The Legion Go is approximately $150 cheaper than the Ally X. If portability and battery life are your priorities, the Ally X is the better option, offering longer usage between charges. However, if you prioritize a larger screen and are looking for a more cost-effective solution for at-home gaming, the Legion Go is a solid choice. Ultimately, both devices have their pros and cons, and the right choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're frequently on the move, the ASUS ROG Ally X's superior battery life and portability might sway you. On the other hand, for a budget-friendly, larger display option, the Lenovo Legion Go stands out. Thank you for joining me on Technology in the Future. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.